गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड। डेली की तरह आज भी मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ 20 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चन जो हर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट मेजर्स एंड रिकॉर्ड द रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी ऑफ एयर इज हाइड्रोमीटर, हाइग्रोमीटर, लैक्टोमीटर, बैरोमीटर। करेक्ट आंसर हाइग्रोमीटर। Question number 2. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is circular, elliptical, spiral, none of the above. Correct answer is spiral. Question number 3. The different colors of different stars are due to the variation of temperature, pressure, density, radiation from them. Correct answer is temperature. The fundamental scientific principle in the operation of batteries: acid-base interaction, dialysis, dissociation of electrolytes, oxidation reduction. Correct answer is dissociation of electrolytes. Instrument used to measure the force and velocity of the wind is ammeter, anemometer, altimeter, odiometer. Correct answer is anemometer. Question number 6. Which combination of color the most convenient during day and night time? Orange and blue, white and black, yellow and blue, red and green. Correct answer is red and green. Woolen clothes keep the body warm because wool increase the temperature of the body. Wool is a bad conductor. Wool absorbs radiate heat from outer object. Wool rejects heat from the outer object. Correct answer, wool is a bad conductor. If the length of simple pendulum is halved, then its speed of oscillation is double, halved, increase by a factor, decrease by a factor. Correct answer is decrease by a factor. Question number 9. Equilibrium is a condition that can never change only if some outside factor changes only if some internal factor changes only if government policy changes. Correct answer is never change. Question number 10. While catching a ball, a player pulls down his hand to lower the force, moment, impulse, catching time. Correct answer is impulse. Question number 11. Geostationary satellite revolves at any height, fixed height, height which depends upon its mass, height above pole. Correct answer fixed height. When a barometer reading suddenly resets, it indicates that climate will be very warm, will be extremely stormy, will remain cold, incessant rain for at least 48 hours, will be extremely stormy. Question number 13. A particle dropped from the top of a tower uniformly falls on a ground at a distance which is equally to the height of the tower. Which of the following path will be traversed by the particle? Circle, parabolic, great circle, hyperparabolic. Correct answer is parabolic. Asteroids revolve round the sun between which of the following two planets? Earth and Mars, Mars and Jupiter, Jupiter and Saturn, Saturn and Uranus. Correct answer is Mars and Jupiter. Question number 15. Smoke is a general pollutant where temperature is high, temperature is low, air contains excess ammonia, air contains excess SO2. Correct answer is air contains excess SO2. Question number 16. The speed of light with the rise in the temperature of the medium increases, decreases, remain unaltered, drops suddenly. Correct answer remain unaltered. Question number 17. Clothes keep us warm in winter because they supply heat, do not radiate heat, prevent air from contacting the body, prevent the heat of the body from escaping. Prevent the heat of the body from escaping. Question number 18. In a refrigerator, what produces the cooling? The ice which deposit on the freezer, the sudden expansion of a compressed gas, the evaporation of a volatile liquid, none of these. Correct answer, the evaporation of a volatile liquid. Why are we able to hear short wave broadcast better than long wave broadcasts? Short waves are more energetic than long waves. Short waves are unaffected by atmospheric disturbances. Short wave broadcasts are made by nearby radio stations. By convention, short waves are meant from long distances, where long waves are reserved from short distances. Correct answer is short waves are unaffected by atmospheric disturbance. Question number 20. Electron microscope was invented by Knoll and Ruska, Robert Koch, Liu Van Hoek, C.P. Sorensen. Correct answer is Knoll and Ruska.